Kia ora. I'm Toady, and this is my sign name. There are challenges when using public transport if someone is deaf or hard of hearing. For example, I won't be able to hear any of the announcements. Two-way communication with staff can be a challenge. Maybe they don't know if someone is talking to them, and there aren't any captions in real life. Today, we're going to take a ferry trip to show you how you can help me and other passengers who may be deaf or hard of hearing to get around using public transport. The first point of contact is likely to be here, either where we tag on or we buy a ticket. I have a hop card, but let's see what happens if I need to buy a ticket.
If you're dealing with people who are deaf or hard of hearing, you can come out of your booth and talk to them face to face. Some deaf people lip read, so look directly at them and don't lower your head or cover your mouth while you're speaking. In some cases, you may even need a pen and paper to communicate. If so, write clearly in block letters and keep notes short and simple. Some people's hearing problems may affect their speech as well. If that's the case, be patient and listen carefully. Once we know what our customer needs, direct them to their ferry, then call ahead and let the crew know that they're coming.
Some people who are deaf or hard of hearing have balance problems, so we may ask for help when boarding and disembarking. Please be patient and alert in case we need help.
The passenger can sit in the priority area if it's free, or anywhere else if they prefer.
I won't hear the announcements, so if the ferry has more than one stop, make sure to let me know when we get to my destination.
To get the passenger's attention, give them a gentle tap on the shoulder.